Okay, so I want the market to come and close down here so that I can take a trade on the next one. Okay, my entry was a bit delayed. I wanted it. Okay, let me take another trade down here. So I wanted to take my trade exactly at the horizontal line. So let's see how this closes. I believe that we'll have a green candle, and I'll explain that in a while. So in this video, I'll teach you a good strategy that you can use as a beginner or intermediate trader to be able to make profit in binary options. So I'll explain each and every single trade. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Okay, I believe we'll have a green candle. I'm not very worried about this trade. So as you can see, we had a trend line, and we also had a demand area right here. So for those of you who are not familiar with demand, okay, let's see how that closed. Okay, that was a win, guys. Both trades were winning trades. I was a bit worried about the first entry. So this one right here, we have this engulfing candlestick, and after creating an engulf, we consider this as a demand area. So we consider this point as a point of interest for the buyers. So I came and drew a horizontal line exactly on the body of this red candle, and after doing that, we also lined up perfectly with this trend line. So this intersection is a very good point for entry. So I waited for the market to get there, and I took a trade. So I took 2 trades. You should never do that. So in this video, I'll share, make sure to watch till the end, because I'll share do's and don'ts. If you're a beginner or if you're still struggling in binary options, I'll tell you what you need to do and what you don't, and what you should avoid. We'll also go through the strategy in detail. So make sure to watch till the end. This is not financial advice, and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to like and subscribe if you gained any value from this video. So let's look for more opportunities and take trades. Okay, so I just took a trade with the buyers right here, exactly on my demand area. So, okay, looks like it's going to be a losing trade. Okay, no problem, that happens. So this was a losing trade, and I thought that, okay, let me show you what I was thinking. So I thought that this was a retracement so that the market keeps on going up, but I forgot to check this strong area right here. So these are strong. The market is coming from a very strong resistance area, and that is why it broke our demand and supply. So always check the bigger picture. So that trade was a losing trade. Yeah, this is a very strong zone, because as you can see, even previously it rejected quite strongly. As you can see, we have this. Yeah, it's a very strong zone. It also acted as a support area. So that is why I lost that trade, because the market is now going down. So this was the retracement. This was not the retracement. This small movement, this small buyer's movement right here was a retracement. So yeah, it happens, guys. If you get a loss, don't beat yourself up. Just trust the strategy and keep on looking for good trades. So yeah. Okay, I just took a trade right here, with the sellers. So this is a good one. This is a very good trade. So we have this strong, very strong sellers. So I believe that this area right here will reject quite strongly. Let's wait and see how this trade closes. Yeah, there is our rejection. So yeah, that was a win, guys. So make sure that you identify good supply and good demand and supply. So right here, as you can see, so this is the opposite of the, like, we had a strong area right here, this whole area. So support and resistance are not lines, guys. So this whole area right here, we can draw this one right here, and this one right here. So this whole area is a good support area, and we can trust the supply areas or demand areas that we find on such an area. So we broke the support area, and once a support area is broken, it becomes a resistance. So once we got back to that area, we can confidently take trades with the sellers. So let's look for more opportunities. Okay, I just missed this one, so I thought it was going to come down. Okay, I'll take a trade on this one. Okay, I just took a trade with the buyers, and this was because of something I just noticed. So I'm expecting a green candle right here. So, and the reason is quite simple. So we have this area right here. As you can see, we are breaking this area. So this was a resistance, and as you can see right here, so we just broke that resistance area. So the market will, this was a retracement. We got back to this demand area. So I was supposed to take it on the previous one, but I thought that this demand area was quite strong, and yeah, I expected a green candle. I expected the next candle to be green because I still expect buyers to keep on pushing the market up, because we already broke this. We already broke this area right here, this resistance area. So I'm expecting the buyers to keep on moving up. So that is why I took that trade. Okay, I just took my trade with the buyers. So if you've made it this far, make sure to, okay, the payout is very low. So if you've made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. We also have a Telegram channel. You can check that out. So the reason I took this trade is because we have a major uptrend. We're also in a zone right here, and we also created this demand area. So I believe that we are still going to reject, although we are coming from this bearish flag. So let's see how this trade closes. So I think we are going to reject and close above the demand area. So yeah, we are rejecting quite nicely. Let's see how this trade closes. Okay, push up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that was a win, and that will be it for today, guys.